Hi, Justine. Good morning. In your post, you mentioned accessibility, and this is actually something that's very, very important. We want to make the content as easily accessible to students as we can. I also wanted to mention that there is a lot more attention being given now in the online environment to making sure that classes are ADA compliant. And so most organizations have things set up such that anything you build within the LMS will automatically be converted in a way that allows for students to access it. However, that is not always the case, and oftentimes organizations don't realize that they're deficient in this area until something happens and a student files a complaint or it's found by a random faculty member. So that is just something to keep in mind. It's a little bit out of the scope of our class, but be sure to think about any students who have learning disabilities or any visual impairments, things like that, what may help with them being able to access content.